in the lush embrace of Brazil's Xingu Indigenous Park, a timeless ritual unfolds, one that transcends borders, language, and generations. The Waura people, known for their vibrant dances and spiritual depth, journey across forest trails and river bends to visit their neighbors, the Mehinako. This is no ordinary visit. It is a ceremonial exchange, a reaffirmation of kinship, and a living testament to the unity among the indigenous peoples of the Upper Xingu. The Mehinako, guardians of the Tuachuari and Curacao rivers, welcome the Waura with open arms and rhythmic chants. Their village, a circular constellation of thatched homes, becomes a stage for cultural dialogue. As the Waura arrive, adorned in feathered headdresses and body paint that speaks of ancestral stories, the air thickens with anticipation. Drums echo through the trees, and the Kuyakua bird dance begins, a mesmerizing performance that mimics the movements of sacred birds, believed to carry messages between worlds. This gathering is more than spectacle. It is a sacred reaffirmation of peace, alliance, and shared cosmology. The Waura and Mehinako, both speakers of Arawakan languages, trace their roots to ancient civilizations that have thrived in the Xingu for over a millennium. Their rituals, though distinct, harmonize in spirit, celebrating fertility, rain, healing, and the balance between humanity and nature. During the visit, elders from both tribes exchange wisdom, recalling past ceremonies, mythologies, and ecological knowledge. Young people participate in storytelling circles, learning the songs and dances that will one day be theirs to pass on. Women prepare communal meals using cassava, fish, and fruits gathered from the forest, while children play in the shade of towering palms, their laughter mingling with the chants of their elders. The highlight of the visit is the Intertribal dance, where Waura and Mehinako performers move in synchronized patterns, their feet pounding the earth in gratitude and joy. The Kuyakua dance, performed by the Waura, is especially revered. It mimics the flight and call of the Kuyakua bird, believed to bring spiritual messages and blessings. As the sun dips below the canopy, fires are lit, and the village glows with warmth, unity, and ancestral pride. This visit is not just a cultural exchange, it is a living archive of indigenous resilience. In a world that often overlooks these communities, the Waura Mehinako gathering stands as a beacon of harmony, reminding us that tradition, when nurtured through connection and ceremony, becomes a force of renewal. In the heart of the Amazon, where rivers speak and birds carry prayers, the Waura's visit to the Mehinako is a dance of memory, a song of unity, and a celebration of life itself.